Clerk versus crook. It tops our news at 6 tonight. A gas station employee taking matters into his own hands.
A would-be robber picking the wrong place to hit. The clerk and the suspect going toe-to-toe for several minutes.
The showdown taking place inside the Marathon station on Military Street in Port Huron.
7 Action News reporter Andrea Isom talked with that brave clerk.
Well, to say fists were flying is an absolute understatement. But the good news is no one was seriously hurt. The bad guy is behind bars, and you are about to meet 3 pretty cool gentlemen. It is going to be tough to take your eyes off these takedowns and tackles. It was a major match inside this Marathon filling station, and because of all this, these 3 fellas have something in common: crime fighting.
Oh my God.
That's also what Mohammed was thinking Monday morning when this masked man walked in. Were you scared?
Yeah.
You didn't look scared. According to cops, this creepy-looking crook demanded cash and claimed he was packing a pistol. Mohammed waits before he makes a move.
The clerk doesn't respond fast enough. He gets up on the counter, is able to open the till, and start grabbing the money.
Hundreds, we've heard. Well, there will be no crime on his clock. That's when the quiet clerk started making some noise. Now the situation is serious. The punches, the pummeling is in full swing. The fury went on for about
15 minutes.
15 minutes total?
Yeah.
Mohammed is nowhere near backing down. He is letting the alleged lifter have it. Had him by the collar, had him in a hammerlock, escorted him out to the parking lot toward the pavement. And lo and behold, Hamid, who works next door, just so happened to be watching.
He was wrestling with a guy, trying to get him to the floor. I just helped him take the guy down to the floor. I put his hands behind his back, confiscated the money that he took out of the register, and just held him down there until the authorities arrived.
The cops are just so glad things did not go any more sideways than they already had.
Let the robber do what they're going to do. Let the surveillance video let us do our job, come in and investigate it, and identify the person. You know, there's no reason to take that risk.
Both guys have some minor cuts and bruises, and the bad guy in black does too, who police tell us is 22-year-old Joel Edward Parker. Right now, Joel is in jail.
Certainly shouldn't be robbing that store. Stay out.
That is precisely right. Stay out of here or anywhere else if you're up to no good. In Port Huron, I'm Andrea Isom, 7 Action News.
Thank you so much, Andrea.